New Year's Eve video. So here we are, diba? We went somewhere around this time. It's I think around 7 o'clock p.m. and no traffic at all. Kunti na lang din yung during for the New Year celebration or welcoming 2026. But here we are in Trinidad Benguet in front of Municipal Hall. Kukunti lang yung tao, di ba? Pwede kang gumawa ng mga videos mode here. You have the whole space. And actually, there's a lot of people taking videos here. But their decoration now. But I cannot compare with the previous one since never seen their last time. It's my first time to see their decoration this year. Last year, no. I've never seen it. But here it is. Gagagawa na before charan. Charat. The next day, we took a walk going to somewhere. No few people and no traffic at all. It's really nice kasi kahit mag-cellphone ka while walking, hindi wala kang maaberya na naglalakad. You cannot disturb anyone. So it's really good. And as you walk, diba, mahaba-haba yung mga nilakad namin since start of the new year. Start of the year, mag-exercise naman tayo walking, diba? Para mas healthy ang new year. And here it is. Welcome to La Trinidad. So we're going to visit this place. Nung umalis kami sa bahay, I think the weather is shower siya. So upon arrival here, kumapal yung yung clouds. Pero around this mga tourist na I think hindi ko alam kung nagtitake video ba sila dyan or they're having strawberry picking. I'm not really sure. Pero kumpulang kasi yung mga tao sa two spots. So I'm not really sure what they're doing there. But we didn't go there since nandito lang kami sa gilid taking videos and all. So it's like watching the fog habang kumakapal siya. And ito yung mga paninda nila. Actually, marami silang mga paninda dito. Pero, syempre, I just took some video of it. Diba? Kunti lang yung tao ngayon. Kunti pa lang yan compare sa ibang panahon. O, diba? Here are the pasalubong. You can pick actually. There are like special product which is for some na 7 piece for 100. Yeah, so you can choose. And it's my first time to see snake bottle, but I think it's good. I never tried. Here is coffee drip. Never tried this one, but maganda siya. Natry ko pala siya in the store or coffee shop. O, diba? Mga paninda nila. And guys, mura lang ang Pag-ibig with 25%.